Greetings everyone, Prof. Fredo here, and today I want to talk to you about an application that I've loved. I want to make a disclosure that nobody's paying me to do this review, and it's like the first time I've used this application, but I found it to be very great and very effective when it comes to managing time when we are trying to write mathematical equations for Word or for any LMS nowadays. Now, the application is called MathKey, and it's $7, only one time buy. It's not a subscription, not a yearly subscription, it's just $7. And you solve a lot of problems with this application. Now, what it does is that it converts your scribe, your hand scribe, into a mathematical equation where you can upload it as an image, as a LaTeX file, or as a MathML type file, which are compatible with most of our LMS nowadays. Now, how does it work? Well, you have different settings, and the one that I'm showing you right now is a remote keyboard. With the remote keyboard, all you have to do is go to that address, https://mathkey-app.com. And once you are right there, it will provide a number which you write, and you can start writing, and it would automatically show you what you're writing on the web browser, and then you can copy and paste it anywhere you want. It is simply great. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the number that is being provided that I will show you later on the screen, which is 969894, and it'll automatically open this wide space where I can write any equation, and I convert that scribe into an actual mathematical equation where you can show it very professional on any learning management system. So let's try a rational function. Let's say I have 3x divided by x squared minus 9, for example. Once I'm done scribing, all I have to press is send. It will convert it, and it will show it on the web browser. Now, I am on my web browser on my computer, on my PC. It's not even an Apple device, which is compatible with Apple devices, and it's compatible with PC, which is great. As you can see, here is the address, mathkey-app.com, and then once you hit there, it will give you this number. This was the number that I wrote down on the application. As you can see, the number is right here as well. And as you probably be watching right now, this equation right here was the one I wrote. That was the equation I wrote on the tablet. And as you can see, I can copy it as an image, as a LaTeX file, or as a ML file. This one is compatible with most learning management systems like Blackboard. And this is the example I'm going to show you right now. So I just simply click copy. I go to Blackboard. I go to any of my courses. Let's pick a practice course, for example. And let's say I want to write an equation. I'm going to actually go to an email. I'm going to create a message. See, this is the math editor corresponding to Blackboard. So I just hit FX, which is the math editor, and I can just simply paste my equation and accept. That's it. I don't have to write anything else. I can do that on emails. I can do that on exams. I can use it for chats. And it's amazing because all you have to do is write on the tablet and go back and copy from the web browser. So I hope this it's useful for you. And if you have any comments or questions, you can leave a comment down below. If you like this video and you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe and like button. Most of my videos are in Spanish, but I can also do some videos in English. So, see you next time. Fredo, logging off.